Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Epic Games on MacBook Pro. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Safari browser and go to the search box at the top and type in store.epicgames.com. Wait until you reach to the official site for epicgames.com. Once you end up in the official site for epicgames.com, click on the menu button at the top right corner. Now, click on the download option at the bottom and click on Allow in the pop-up. Now wait for the Epic installer to download for your MacBook Pro. Once it is done, click on it to open it up and then drag the Epic Games launcher into the application folder just like this and wait for a few seconds. Now, open up your application folder and look for Epic Games Launcher option and click it open. Click on the open button in the pop-up and allow necessary permission for the application. And as you can see that you have successfully downloaded Epic Games on MacBook Pro. Let the application download necessary update and you will be able to start it up. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.